Google Calendar's latest update is a game changer, but not for the AI-obsessed. A simple yet powerful feature has arrived, and it's all about time management. But here's the twist, it's not AI-powered. Google Calendar now introduces a dedicated tasks option, allowing users to allocate time for specific tasks or personal breaks. This is a huge improvement over the previous workaround of scheduling meetings with yourself. Now, you can easily block off time and focus on what matters without the hassle. To use this feature, simply click on an open slot and select Task. Name your task, set a time, and even add a deadline if needed. The real game changer is for Google Workspace and education users, who can enable Do Not Disturb and automatically decline meetings during their task time. Talk about productivity. While many users have found creative ways to manage their time on Google Calendar, this official feature is a welcome addition. It's a common offering in other calendar apps, so it's great to see Google catching up. And the best part? No unnecessary AI integration. The feature is gradually rolling out to all Google Workspace customers, individual subscribers, and personal account users. It began on November 6th, but some users might have to wait until early December to get their hands on it. And this is the part most people miss. In a world obsessed with AI, this feature proves that sometimes simplicity is key. It's a refreshing change and a great addition for those who value their time and productivity. But will it be enough to satisfy users in the long run? That's a question worth exploring, and we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.